So first, let's take a look at the dashboard here. When you log in to GetResponse, here you've got some shortcuts to create forms, newsletters, landing page, add to your list, and create your autoresponders. And then you have a series of widgets here that you can actually edit and adjust here. First, you have the tutorial videos and access to the Help Center. Here you have a widget to create your newsletters. And there's also one with your autoresponder information. Here's one for creating sales funnels. And you've got your email list information here. And you can also add new widgets here. The main item here in your dashboard is the Tools menu up here in the upper left corner. This is what you're going to use to create your email list, your email autoresponders, landing pages, and so forth. Now the other thing I wanted to show you here is the customer support contact. If you click on this chat icon in the lower right hand corner, you can click the Start the Chat button. And you'll be able to connect to the support team here. And I've got to say, for the most part, the response time is excellent. In fact, many times you'll click and you'll get a response instantly. Occasionally there'll be more of a wait, but generally it's a very fast response time. And I found the support agents to be very knowledgeable, very helpful. In fact, over the years, I think there's only been one or two times where I've had an agent that maybe didn't have as much experience as they should have, and weren't quite as knowledgeable as most of the other people on staff. But overall, I have to give them very high marks for customer support. They are very helpful.